Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you how to make this do-it-yourself farmhouse wall decor using all Dollar Tree items. So here I have a foam board, I have some nautical rope, and I have this wood looking shelf liner. So it gives you that faux wood look. You can leave it just like that, just that faux wood look, or you can paint it like I am going to in a second. So all you need to do is cut your foam board to the size you want it and go ahead and place your shelf liner over it. And I'm going to go ahead and paint this with some acrylic paint. Now once the paint has dried, I'm using some hot glue and I'm taking the nautical rope and I'm shaping it out to say the word love. So I have this little cute mason tea light lantern here, and I went ahead and removed the handle, and now I'm using some twine and putting the twine through the two little hoops there, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap it with the twine and then cut off another piece of twine and also add the twine through the hoops so we can go ahead and attach it to the foam board. I went ahead and made two holes in the foam board where I want to place the little lantern using a screwdriver. Now I'm just feeding the twine through those two holes, and I'm going to tie it in the back and secure it with some hot glue. So I went ahead and hung it on the wall using command Velcro strips. And here you go. You have this really cute farmhouse wall decor with the little lantern. I added a tea light in there and just a succulent on top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy Dollar Tree DIY. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. Share the video, leave me a comment, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you haven't hit that notification bell, make sure you hit it so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video.